Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through, as long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Hi, Liz here. Today I'm just repainting some of the logos on my hives. I'm just using acrylic paint, which seems to hold up. And I have some honey supers that I'll show you probably in June and in May. And when I'm done painting a hive, I'm going to play you a reward song on my harmonica. So enjoy. All done with that side, so as promised, I'll play you a little ditty. Alright, so that was the back of the hive, so I was just chilling on the ground. Now I'm at the front of the hive, and I'm only redoing the red. I used initially those oil Sharpie markers, and the silver stayed on perfectly and the black stayed on perfectly, but the red just faded in the sun. So I'm going to do it in acrylic paint because I know they worked well on my honey supers last season and it didn't wear off. I'm not even going to put a coat on it. It's non-toxic. The bees are kind of quiet today. It's a little chilly, so good day to do it. Yeah, I'm going to do the front now. The logo, the Harbor Honey logo with the bee, which you'll see me painting shortly, is actually a shadow from a bee that I got from a picture I took. And my sister, who owns Double Dutch, who makes all these great knitted items and stitched items, she made my logo for me. So she did the font logo with the Harbor Honey, and then she also did the bee logo with the silhouette or shadow of my bee from a photo that I took. So I'm going to paint the front of this hive, play you a little ditty, and I think that's all I'm going to do today. In another video I'll just show you how I transfer my logo onto the hive, which is pretty easy, and a little technique I teach my students, so you'll get to see that in another video. So I think I'm done. As I said, I don't think I'm gonna do the black. I might go over it with another, the oil Sharpie again, but I don't know, I think it looks fine. Might do a touch up, but I might do different colors on my hives so they can find their way home. Some of my hives are blue and yellow, so you'll see those come out as I do my splits in the next month or so. But as promised, here's your song. Play it for the bees. You like that one? of you might be concerned for me because I'm just chilling with my bees. Don't be. They're really nice. That's why I started this channel, Bees and Bikinis. My bees are just beautiful and kind and gentle. I can just pet them whenever I want to. Except for that hive. That hive is crazy. But the rest of them, I mean, I can just pet them if I want. You afraid of beekeeping? Telling me to wear a veil? You should pet your bees more often because they're not as scary as you might think.